How to make an album on SoundCloud. So here is a simple step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all, open the SoundCloud app on a mobile device or navigate to the soundcloud.com and make sure that you are signed in to your SoundCloud account. If you do not have an account, then sign up first. Now here, all you have to do is select the audio you want to create album of, and all you have to do is long press on it, then tap on the plus icon, then create the playlist to act as your album. Now give it your album name. Here I'm simply creating my album name as favorite playlist. Now all you have to do is upload your favorite tracks here in the playlist. Now repeat the process for other songs as well. Let me just tap on the random song for now. Long press on it, tap on the plus icon, now tap on the playlist you just created, and that is it. Now in order to find that playlist, tap on the library button available at the bottom tab. And once you tap on the library, you will get to see the playlist option available on your screen. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.